Welcome. If you are preparing for your advanced placement, here is the list of exams that we offer. Now, interesting to note, starting 2025, a lot of subjects have gone digital. So, in the digital examination, it's important that the FRQs are not removed. So, you would be attempting your FRQ questions as well. Now, once you are attempting your FRQ questions, rather than writing it on a pen or paper, you would be you would have to attempt your exam on the Blue Book app, and there itself you would have to type your answers and write it. However, for certain exams like microeconomics and macroeconomics for 2025, it is still pen and paper based, but for others, for example, US polity, English, the basic language, history, the paper has gone digital, so you would be actually typing on the computer your responses. Now, the paper pattern would remain the same, MCQ as well as FRQ. Two new exams we would be introducing in this set, and those would be the Physics 1 and Physics 2, which have been added recently. Also, we would be adding the US polity soon. So, if you are applying from any of these exams, you can check out the complete material here. So, you would have the access to the complete details and the courses. For example, in the environmental science, you would see there are FRQs as well as MCQs. Similarly, if you go on to let's say human geography, you would find the lectures as well as the study material and the FRQs. Now, lectures are there on a subscription basis. Since your AP is in the month of May, you can subscribe for more than 1 month. So you can simply add the item to the cart, remove the other things that have been there in the cart previously, and then you can see that you can change the tenure for 3 months. For a 3-month and 6 months, you get a special offer and a special discount, so you can avail that as you register yourself. Also, you have an option to change your currency. If you are purchasing outside India, you can change it to US dollars, and you can you pay using your PayPal accounts. So those are some of the interesting options that are available, and these are the courses and the subjects that are now offered for your AP, and many more coming shortly. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.